lovelies, it is that time again, and I just don't think we're ever going to catch up on these unless I just give up and upload like 2 directly in a row one day after another, because they keep coming in pairs, and we've got another 2 boxes through today. So the themes we have are Dark Agenda, which has me intrigued, and Going Batty. So I need to decide which one of these I want to open first. Dark Agenda is a bit heavier, and I'm quite intrigued just to know what this theme is. So I think we'll go for this one first, and then we'll do Going Batty after. So let me just open this up. Hold on. Ooh, okay. Oh, cute. Okay. Okay, this is good. Okay, so first of all, we have a really cute little pencil case. You would think after all this time I have like enough pencil cases and little like bags and pouches, and yet I still always find myself needing more. So I'm always genuinely happy when we get something like this in the spooky boxes, because I'm always in need. And this is just a cute little purple spooky batty pencil case. Next up we have a pin. Oh cute, and it's my spooky to-do list, custom made and limited edition pin, and the to-do list says carve a pumpkin, order pizza, watch scary movies, and eat all the candy. Yeah, like, can we? Is this something we can do right now? There it is. So it's just a cute little spooky to-do list pin, which is adorable. Next up we have some pencils. Oh cute. So they are purple pencils. They have like little pink toppers on them, I guess to protect your lead, which is actually a really good idea. I've never seen that on pencils before, and my leads were always breaking, so yes, good. And the pencils say creep it real, witch please, and if you've got it, haunt it. That's really cute. So it's just a few little pencils with some little spooky sayings on them, which is real cute. I don't know if y'all have these in America. If you don't, you're missing out. These are the Superior Sweets. Parma Mother Frickin' Violets. I love these so much. They're one of like the best candies. Ooh. Okay, so this says Gothic stamps for planner and journaling enthusiasts. Ooh. Versatile stamps with additional spooky words and icons. Make everyday spooky stamping kit. 199 clear stamps and acrylic stamping block. Okay, this is really cool. God, there is like a billion. Oh, and it goes with this. Okay, I'll show you both in a second. Hold on, right. Before we look at the stamps, because of what they go with, I'll show you the other thing that's here first. And that is like a little planner sheet thing. That's so cute, and I love this. And like, I always really want to get into like planners and journaling, but then like, I don't know, I'm like, as dumb as it sounds, I'm like too unorganized to use a planner. I'm going to try though in the new year, and I like this because it's not like a sort of book that gets tucked away. It's like this, like just open. So like if you saw my attic video, you know, it was this desk that I set out to record, but there's like another table over there with my sewing stuff. I kind of want to find a way, like either I can just maybe have this sitting on that table, or I can like, you know, like find a way to sort of have it so it's up like on the wall behind there or something. So this is like always in front of me, and I can remember to like write stuff down, and it'll always be right in my face. So it's not like a little book that's closed away somewhere. It's in my face. I can't escape it. And maybe I can get a little more organized. So there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then just the weekend has like 1 slot. And then there's a to-do list and notes. So let's just have another little... That's so cute. And then to go with it, there is a like stamp set, so that you can like, you know, if you don't want to write things in, there's like a billion things here where you can just like stamp what's going on that day. Like there's so many. Like there's all the days of the week, like morning, afternoon, night. You've got like yoga, walk, gym, run, family, travel, grocery list, meal prep, picnic, coffee, Valentine's, Halloween. There's like everything. Let's have a look. Hopefully you can kind of see all that. If you want to pause the video and look through, there's like a million different stamps here, and it tells you how to use them, and I think that's really cool. I've been meaning to get an ink pad anyway for other things, so yeah, and I can have this all set up, and I feel like having the stamps will make me more likely to use it as well, because I don't know why, I really hate writing things out by hand. Like for one, my handwriting is ugly, it just is, and I don't know, it just feels really, really tedious, and that is another big thing that puts me off planners. I hate writing, but like there's so many things in this that I wouldn't actually have to write very much. I can just stamp and it'll look cute and neat, and that'll make me feel better. I'm really happy about this. Oh my goodness. I love stationery crap. Okay. Next up is a little black bone shaped something. I'm guessing this is an eraser. Yeah, it definitely feels like an eraser. I'm going to assume this is an eraser. Oh, and I got like a really nice like book with like blank pages recently from a lovely viewer. So sweet. I was having like a really bad day and I was feeling like really down about myself, and then like someone else was rude and made me feel like even more down about myself, and I was like, oh. And she sent me like this lovely like beautiful notebook and bag to cheer me up, and I was like, my heart. So then I have the pencils and stuff, and I can like maybe start drawing. But then my problem with really pretty books and stuff is I don't want to draw in them or write in them because I don't want to do something that's not good and like ruin it. But I'm just gonna have to suck it up. We're gonna suck it up and we're gonna use the things that we get. Okay. And then finally in here, ooh, okay, so we have like a little just like a little calendar. It's just like a basic little cute spooky calendar, 2009. So I am happy with that. I really enjoyed this watch. I'm stationery. Hello, I am back 5 hours later because I forgot to read the thing. I can feel my makeup trying to crawl off of my face at this point. So let's just get done. Just get this done. So custom made 2019 calendar print, yes. Custom made ghostly planner desk pad, yes, I love that so much. I'm reliving it, oh my goodness. Custom made planner stamps and stamper, yes. Custom made slim bat print pencil case, yes, and it does fit the pencils despite my early issues. Custom made pencil set and protector caps, yes. Custom made my spooky to-do list pin, spooky bone eraser, yes, and giant Parma violets, which are vegan friendly, yes, and they're delicious. Oh, there's a bunch of you in America who don't have those, right? Like, I don't think they're an American thing, which means you get to try them. Let me know what you thought of them if you got this box, because I love them so much. Even if you didn't get this box, just let me know if you like Parma violets, because they're like my favorite. So leave a comment, let me know what you thought. I know there are a lot of people out there who are like super into their journaling and super into their planners, so if there are any of you out there, let me know. Leave a little comment, because I've even seen like, I think there's like I might be in a goth planner group on Facebook or something that I joined when I was trying to get into it and I failed miserably, but I like looking at other people's planners. Before I go, if you could check out my Patreon, I would love that very much. It helps me out a lot. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's an awesome website where you can tip your favorite creators. Like, you know, like if you're watching a musician perform, you might throw some coins in their little case. You can do that through this website, except it's online. So you can tip your favorite creators for making content for you, and it's a great way to support them and say thank you for the videos or whatever else they put out. So consider checking that out, because I would love you forever, and you can join our cool private Discord server and be part of the family. Okay, what time is it? It is 1:10 in the morning. I should probably go to bed, but I will see you in the next video. I hope you've had a lovely day or evening. Let me know what you've been up to, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!